Oh. You okay na? My goodness. Ay, life is good all the time. The whole time na nagpe-prepare ako ng lunch, umiiyak to. Pero kanina, okay pa kasi nandito si Dan. But kinailangan ni Dan umalis ng maaga. Nakabihis ako guys because ako ang magda-drop off sa mga bata kasi nga may appointment si Dan na apakaaga. Ang hirap pala nito, be. Mag-prepare ng lunch dyan ka sa harap. Mas ates, kuyas. Alright. Ay, nako, hindi. So, Ayla, show and tell today. We're gonna talk about that green ball. It's here, okay? It's here in this pocket. Alright, come on. Go to the toilet, kids. Hello, are you finished? No. Well, come on.
Put this in my bag.
No, you can't bring toys in school. You can't, because you might lose it.
No, why would that?
No, you might lose it though.
I was put it up there.
I already put your bag in the car. It's okay, babe. It's okay. It's okay, Indy.
I dropped my bag.
It's in the car already. I put your bag in the car. Alright, so palitan tong mga to. Ayusin ang buhok ni ate. And then palitan to. What time is it? Who's got my phone? Malamig yung panahon guys, pero init na init ako. It's 7:45. I can see it. That's alright, we got time. I just need you to go to the toilet and take off your pajamas. Sige na. Ayla, are you finished? Ay, ito na naman. Tagal maghugas ng kamay. Para talaga siyang surgery. Nagsi-surgical hand wash. Ay, nako. Ang bilis uminit ng ulo ko. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko pa ubos yung kape ko. Kanina si Dan, binigay niya sa akin yung kape ko. Tapos, nilagay niya lang naman kung saan ako nagpe-prepare ng lunch. Ang daming ganap doon. Tapos, nilagay niya sa gitna talaga. Sa isip ko, sa lahat ng pwedeng lagyan ng kape. Dito pa tayo nalagay sa gitna. Nandito tayo, nagpe-prepare tayo ng lunch. Pero nasa utak ko lang yun. Kasi alam ko na mainit yung ulo ko. Overstimulated. Alam mo yun, ang daming nangyayari. Tapos umiiyak pa to, walang tigil ang iyak. So nasa utak ko lang yun. Sa dami nang pwedeng paglagyan ng kape. Dito pa talaga sa gitna. So nilipat ko lang yung kape. Na wala sinasabi, nag-prepare pa din ako. Nilipat ko lang yung kape. Pag inom ko, sabi, parang matabang yung kape ko. Lahat na lang. Lahat na lang mali. Yes? Ito naman.
So we jump all off first.
Yeah. Para ka namang nasa school, race ka ng race ng hand.
I wants me to jump on. I know.
Okay.
And then Dad will come pick me up, and I'm home. I will open the door. And
Alright, take off your pajamas and put your clothes on. Oh, your clothes are not there. You take off your pajamas, go to the toilet. Sige ka. It's your turn. Ate's not there anymore. Sige na. Silly boy. What? Huh? I'll get your clothes now. Are you happy? Are you happy, beautiful? Why you cry? Ay, very crying baby man yan kanina. Ay! See? Happy lang yung baby ko. Happy lang yung baby ko. Come on, down. I need to get Ate's clothes. Yes? Yeah! Ganyan lang dapat, baby. Smile ba? Why cry? Don't cry lang. Baby lang. Come on.
Bingo. I did!
Good job, Ala. Did you put the shoes on yourself?
I helped him.
Oh, you guys. Well done.
Why did it fall here?
Ay, nako.
I think everyone has to wear shoes like it is. He wants shoes. You wear shoes.
Now she's wearing a Saki.
She's
She's got a Saki on.
so.
Alright, let's go.
Mommy, you can wear this when she's one.
Yes, she can.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
That smells really good. You should smell it.
I know.
Smell it. Smell it.
Amazing. Smells really
It
good.
smells really strong. Like.
Yeah. You guys are in? Come on. Hi. Hi, you happy? Alright, seatbelt on. Ay, Lord, thank you po. Maya na tayo mag-lip tint.
Oh, Mommy, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Good job, Ala. Well done with your days. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Can we put it on?
Play 7 days of the week on Spotify.
And my friend helped me yesterday.
Aww, who's that? Harry?
Terry.
Aww, Harry's a nice boy.
Yes, it's my friend.
Aww. And it's not raining now. Pinagdasal ko tong weather na to. Kasi sabi sa forecast kahapon, uulan daw. Sabi ko, my gosh, 3 yung dala ko. Tapos uulan. Paano na?
10 minutes?
Niready ko na yung raincoat ni Ayla. Kasi paano ko guys dadalhin yung payong, may Arlo, may pram, tapos may Ayla. So sabi ko hindi ako makakadala ng payong. Kasi ano, mamaneuver ko yung pram. Tapos pagising ko, chinek ko yung weather agad-agad sa labas. And it's clear.
4 minutes?
Not 2. So thank you Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord. You really look after me Lord ha. Salamat. Kasi sila nag-aalala din. Wala na siyang magawa kasi nga na-schedule na niya yung ano, yung appointment na tumatagal na. Sabi niya magsa-struggle ka talaga kung uulan bukas. Sabi niya bahala na lang ma-late ka, magpaano ka na lang, hintayin mong tumigil yung ulan. Tapos inisip ko, isasara nila yung gate. Hindi ako pwedeng mapalate ng
meters red light and
bongga.
speed limit camera ahead 60 km/h speed limit.
Pero yeah, today is good. It's nice and clear. Thank you Lord. Hindi ako nagmamadali kasi maghihintay din tayo dun. 8:45 pa yung open ng class ni Arlo. Ito yung ang lamig ng panahon pero ano, mainit yung pakiramdam ko guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm overstimulated. Just stay there for now. We survived. Text lang natin si Daddy. Si Arlo guys, as in, grabe talaga yung Arlo ko. Walang kaproblema. Drop namin siya doon, sign in ako sa kanya, lagay niya yung bag niya. Diretso lang siya sa teachers niya. As in, walang kaproblema. Bye-bye, mami. Tapos after namin dinrop si Arlo, dinrop namin si Ayla. Yung sign in nila is, isusulat nila yung pangalan nila. So, medyo matagal yun kasi syempre yung mga bata hindi pa ganun kabilis magsulat. Tapos mahaba yung pila. And Ayla's really good at writing her name now. So, she's good. But yeah, it was good. It was seamless. Indy was good the whole time. Nandun lang siya sa pram. And now she's ready to go grocery shopping with me. So, yung stress ni Daddy kagabi for me is wala namang kwenta. Nasi-stress talaga siya sa akin kagabi. Sabi niya, sus, paano mo na yan gagawin bukas? Ganun siya sa akin. Sabi ko, huwag mo na akong pangunahan. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. I'll deal with it. Sabi niya, mababasa ka. Sabi ko, okay lang ako mabasa. Magpapa-puffer jacket lang ako. Kasi alam niya na hindi talaga ako nagpapayong. Sabi niya, ako kasi magpapayong ako. Sabi ko, ikaw yun. Wala ka kasing dalang pram. Kayang-kaya mo magpayong. Alright, let's go! Ay, nako. Thank you talaga, Lord, for always looking after me. Thank you po. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Finifeed ko lang ng positivity ang aking mind kasi nga I'm overstimulated. But I'm good now. Everything's good. We will go grocery shopping. Indy will be fine. Ay! Ay! Navigate to Burnside Village.
Getting directions to Burnside Village.
It's okay, we're going. Buti na lang talaga I'm blessed with good kids. Like, nung umiiyak si Indy kaninang umaga, tapos nakikita ni Ayla na sobrang busy ko, guys. Sabi niya, I got Indy, mommy, I got her dummy, I got her toy. As in, ginagawa niya talaga lahat. But Indy kasi, hindi pa siya like 100%. So, she was just crying. Hindi natin alam kung anong nararamdaman niya inside. But, you know, she's not feeling well. So, gets ko siya. But Ayla was like doing her best to help. And then Arlo was just behaving. Tapos nung pag-drop off na, walang ka-problema. Kinakausap nila si Indy while naglalakad kami. Kasi imagine kung dalawang malalaki nagtatantrums din. Mas lalo kang mahihirapan, di ba?
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
Galing mo talaga, Bi. Gigising ka talaga.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face.
Hello, Daddy. It didn't rain, I know. Universe is on my side, Mola. I'm at Burnside, Tony and Max. And then I'll go to Coles after. You sure? I'm thinking minced pork with carrots and potatoes. Do you want soup? Okay, alright. Oh, already?
a good day to
We're home. Hey, Mommy's gonna put away the shopping while holding my baby Lang Lang. Yes? Hmm? You were really good. Oh, what? What do you want? Do you want strawberry? Yes? I think I got it. I got it ready for you. Strawberry. Ta-da! Yummy! You're welcome. So, napunta lang akong Kohl's. At saka Tony and Marks and Higgs. Ta-da! So, nung nag-birthday si Dan, hindi ako nakapunta ng Higgs, guys. Ito yung favorite niyang chocolate. Binilhan ko si Daddy ng milk chocolate freckles from Higgs. So, yun yung regalo ko sa kanya nung birthday niya, diba? But, I got him the one from Charlesworth. Okay sa kanya yun, but yung gusto niya talaga is yung from Higgs. So, kasi nagpunta ako doon sa Burnside and meron silang Higgs. So, I got him that. And dinalawa ko na yung isa para sa araw ng mga ama. Tinago ko na, guys. Kasi si Dan nandito na, nandun sa labas, naririnig ko. So siguro pagdating namin, mga few minutes later, dumating din siya. And then this is my lunch. May sushi hub din dun. So I got my favorite spicy crab nigiri at saka I got the salmon sandwich this time. Nag-iisang popcorn na natira. Ubusan ang popcorn sa Kohl's. And ito lang yung gusto ng mga bata, yung cheese. And merong Hansel sa Kohl's. It was on sale as well. So from $6 down to $3 something. Kinuha ko na yung mocha at saka yung chocolate. Kaya lang, hindi ko pinayaran yung mocha kasi hindi ko sure kung magugustuhan ng mga bata. Potatoes. Mura na lang yung strawberry. Pero kasi sa Kohl's ko siya binili, hindi sa Tony and Marks. 2 for $6. Ang mura na lang yan. And I got this. Yung binigay na regalo sa amin ng agent nung nag-settlement sa bahay. Merong honey and Dijon mustard na soya chips. And gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Sinerch ko siya. And meron pala sa Kohl's. So bumili ako. Yeah, masarap. And it's filling. So, bumili ako yung pa-scoop-scoop lang nila. So, I just got this much. Wiggy sticks. And brown rice. Itatry ko yung brown rice. So, maliit lang yung binili ko. Kasi rice is life sa akin. And ayokong i-eliminate yung rice completely kasi it makes me happy, you know. And then, ito is from the hindi siya butcher. Butcher pa din ba tawag kung seafood yung binibenta? Hindi. Kasi yung butcher, binubutcher nila yung... I don't know. Basta sa seafood na place doon, I got a baby snapper. Kasi nakita ko, guys, malinis na siya. Open na yung ano niya. Yung loob niya ba. So sabi ko, ay, malinis na. Diretso na iprito. Tapos maliit lang din siya. I got baby snapper. $25 yung maliit. But that's okay. Iprito lang natin yan. Ulam ko na yan. And then I got... barramundi frames. So, yung mga buto-buto ng barramundi, sabi ko, ano ko guys, isasahog ko sa aking utan. Hoy, I'm not sure kung magkano. Walang, Pero mura lang yan kasi frames lang yan. Do you want more? Big one. Yum! And then, ito from Tony and Marks. Tingnan nyo naman ako. Meron ako nakitang Moscato, but it's non-alcoholic. So, try it. Sparkling pa pati. So, I think it's gonna be good. Diba? Ang sugar lang nito. Anong sugar nito? I got lemongrass para sa ating utan. Bumili ako okra para sa utan. And then sili din. Mahahabang sili. I got this. My goodness. Hindi ko alam kung good idea to kasi $11 ako kamahal. Ganyan. Seaweed. Ito lang. In fairness, ang sarap. Uy! Mas masarap sa normal seaweed. Sesame. Yum! Kaya lang yung mga bata hindi mahilig dito. Maliit na ginger, talong, broccolini for Indy, and then bumili ako eggs. I also got my sugared peanuts, yung pink. Oh my gosh, malapit na maubos. Bilis mo naman kumain strawberry. Oh no! Mommy will steam this. You wanna have that for lunch? Yeah? What? No more? Where's your water? We're drinking water. Ang galing na minom ng tubig nito. Yeah. Daddy. Daddy. Say Dada. I love you. I love you, baby. I know. I love you so much. I know. Mommy put it in the fridge. What do you want?
I brought new shower taps.
You did?
Yeah, Carl's going to buy the back of the toilet from his finger. The main toilet doesn't flush properly.
The birthday.
I don't need them all at once. Thank you. In the toilet vanity, do you notice both? They're expensive.
How much?
I reckon that would have cost you $18.
15.
15.
99, so 16. Is that expensive?
Yeah. The basin in the toilet, one of the taps is frozen. But
Okay.
I'm not going to worry about replacing that tap because you don't need two taps in the toilet. Yeah, it's a hot water tap. So I'll just get the so I'll just remove that tape, put a cover on it. We'll put 2 new shower taps on because the shower leaks. So that's alright. Carl's plumber will fix that up.
Okay.
I'll send the Carl and he'll send somebody out to do that.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm waiting for Rock's guy to actually give me the number for the guy so I can
Handyman?
so I can organise the doors. We're going to do the doors. I'll get the doors done next week.
Okay.
And painting. Do you want to paint the doors?
Sure.
You don't have to
Why
paint
can't the painter do it?
because the doors won't be fitted. I think by the time he's finished, the doors won't be fitted.
Okay. I can paint it.
3 doors. I can paint it.
Easy. What's happening? Alright, so Ayla went to the library today. Ooh. This is the book we're reading this week. Plague. Good choice. Nire-ready ko lang guys ang ingredients for dinner tonight. Aalis kami, punta kaming bahay. So, i-ready ko na siya. Para pagbalik natin, diretso na tayo luto. Parang gusto ko na nga lutuin eh. Baka gabihin tayo. Giniling ang aking lulutuin. Giniling, tas lalagyan ko ng quail eggs. So, i-ready ko lang po sila. Alis na sana kami, kaya lang nag-washing si Daddy. Si Daddy saglit. Nag-quick wash siya ng kanyang work clothes. Naubusan siya. Bukas pa yung schedule ko eh. You want strawberry? Itong ate mo oh. Kumain naman si Ayla ng strawberry pero hindi inubos. Diyan na muna kayo. Ano na lang pala? Ay, ano pala? Garlic. Tapos, hugasan natin yung mga lunchbox nila. Para mamaya pagbalik natin, konti na lang. Sana hindi tayo magtagal dun. So, second day ng painting today eh. So, tingnan lang namin. The house looks like this. It's getting painted, guys. So, hinire namin siya ng 1 week. Oh, 5 days? Did we hire him for 5 days?
5 days.
And he wanted one more?
6. If he doesn't get it finished, then that's fine.
Yeah.
That's all going to be painted dark grey. On the outside, that step in that.
Yeah, no.
Maybe that door, that side there is going to be grey as well.
Gray, yeah. Ayla's favorite spot. Si Arlo guys, tulog. Pagod na pagod ang ating dudong. Lagi silang dumidiretso dyan. The ant is sleeping. Are you okay? It's cold. Yeah, I've got a jacket in the car for you. Sure. Ayan, daddy natin, guys. Hindi nga kami nag-fake grass nga kami sa bahay namin kasi ayaw namin ng ganito. Dito walang choice. Wala kang choice, my star. Hello! Alright. You wanna go in? Okay. It's 5:35. Literal na diretso, as in diretso sa kusina. Si Dan na bahala sa dalawa. Si Indy tulog, guys. So, madaliin natin to. Kasi pag gumising na yun, wala na. Gusto na naman magpakarga. Madali lang naman to. So, magluluto tayo ng giniling na merong quail eggs. Lahat actually sila tulog. Lahat ng mga bata. So, yung gagawin ni Dan is, gigisingin niya yun, iaakyat niya, papaliguan, tapos mga 6 something, kain na. May school kasi bukas. So, dapat maaga matulog yung mga bata. Si Arlo, it doesn't matter, wala siyang school bukas. So, okay lang siya, hindi matulog agad. Si Ayla. Bari batang umiiyak. Why are you crying? Go take a shower, baby. Nandiyan na yung ating pork. Naglagay din akong kamatis. Now we'll add our water. Konting soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Someone's away. Coming. Pepper. Wala, ubos na yung ground pepper ko. Alright, my love, coming.
Mia is the best. She is the best, baby. Yeah.
Looks good. This is gonna be your din-din. Yeah? Lagyan ko ng sabaw para masarap ang iyong din-din. You like that or no like that? Do you like that or no like that? Looks good. Looks good already, girl. Kalame, kalame, kalame. Kamaayo na muluto sa imong mama. Kamaayo na muluto. Hoy, buyag naman. Sarap naman ang luto ko na yan. Lami. Lami, be. I know. Tapos butangan pa din nag-itlog, be. Lami, ana yun na, be. Oy, you wanna help? Okay, 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 okay. Hinihintay ko na lang na lumampot yung ating carrots at saka potatoes. Tapos ilalagay ko na yung ating itlog after. Gusto ko medyo masabaw kasi kay Indy.